Dear friends, in today's video I'll talk about how you can make this curved surface like wall in Revit Architecture. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First I am going to create a wall. I am going to floor plan. I am deleting this. I want to create a new wall just of some random dimensions, just like this. Now I am going to a 3D view of it. You can see this is the 3D view. It's its front elevation. Now I want to make it like inclined wall, just like this. I want to make it. So how will you make it? I am going to its wide frame view, just like this. Now I am clicking over here. When the wall is selected, I am going to edit profile. Here you can click on the edit profile. So now I want to make it like inclined surface. So I am taking this tool, line, and I want to make it inclined like this. Here I am clicking over here. Now these lines where intersects, I want to delete these portions so that the wall becomes one line. Now I am clicking over here just like this, delete it. Now for deleting this, you choose the trim command. I am clicking here and here like this. This is now trimmed, and the profile which is showing to you the wall will be like this. I am clicking over here. Now if I want to see its realistic view, it is just like this. If you want to make a curved surface, I am making curved surface from this portion, so I'll click on the edit surface. I'll take this curved line command and I'll make a curved surface like this. You can see here. Now I'll delete the extra portion of the wall, this portion, and now I'll trim this portion. This is how you can make a curved wall, a curved surface, or any surface of your own desire in Revit architecture. Thank you for watching.